Hello friends. Welcome to new Natural Remedies Channel. In today's video we will teach you about a natural recipe which will double your hair growth in just a few weeks. Beautiful long and gorgeous hair is a woman's dream. Long healthy hair attracts the attention of everyone. Even though there are a variety of expensive products in the market, the people are discouraged by their side effects and false promises. By keeping this in mind, we have come up with a most useful recipe. This recipe promises to make your hair grow thick and long. This recipe gets rid of gray hair, dandruff, and other scalp problems. The main ingredient which is used in this natural recipe is the ginger. Ginger is the best medicinal root which cures a lot of diseases and used from our ancient times. Ginger is most powerful medicine for our hair. Let's see what we need to make this recipe. 1 medium piece of ginger, 5 or 7 capsules of vitamin E as per your hair length. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey. Method: wash clean the ginger piece. Peel the skin and grate the ginger. Now in a blender take all the ingredients along with ginger and blend to a fine paste. Apply this from root to tip of your hair. Put on a shower cap and let it absorb for 45 minutes. Then rinse your hair as usual with a shampoo. Use this regularly at least once in a week. This is a very good tonic for your hair. In just a few weeks you will realize your hair is growing. Please let me know what you feel in the comment box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more health videos, please subscribe to our channel. We will be coming up with a lot of useful videos.